Is your IT project in Germany facing unexpected delays or even grinding to a halt because of legal hurdles? You're not alone. Many international companies struggle with this exact issue, and the reason often lies with something unique to Germany: works councils. You could be ready to roll out a critical HR or IT system only to discover that German Works Council has the power to stop it dead in its tracks. And the most frustrating part? It might feel like you're blocked by just a few employees out of thousands worldwide. But here's the thing. This is a legal reality in Germany that you can navigate effectively, if you know how. Works councils have the legal right to co-determine decisions that affect employees, especially around new IT systems. Understanding how they operate and involving them early in the process can turn a potential delay into a smooth, successful rollout. The key is transparency and early engagement. Before launching any system that impacts employee data or behavior, schedule a meeting with your local works council. They'll want to understand how the system protects employee privacy and what data it tracks. Make sure you address these concerns up front. It can save you weeks, if not months, of costly delays. For example, a global pharmaceutical company I worked with was rolling out an HR system across Europe. When they hit Germany, they ran into a wall. The Works Council didn't approve the software. But once we re-engaged them, explained the data privacy features, and included them in the implementation process, the rollout proceeded smoothly. Just imagine the cost of missing that deadline. If you're managing teams in Germany, don't let works councils be an afterthought. Engage them early, understand their legal rights, and avoid those expensive delays. If you'd like tailored advice on how to navigate these challenges, feel free to connect with me or reach out through LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful and want to dive deeper into the topic of German works councils, including their influence on IT systems and project rollouts, head over to my YouTube playlist, where I cover everything in more detail. You'll find practical insights and strategies to ensure your projects run smoothly in Germany's unique business environment. The link is in the description. See you there.